Silvopasture is an innovative land management practice that combines forestry with grazing. This approach offers a multitude of benefits, making it an attractive option for farmers seeking sustainable solutions. By integrating trees, livestock, and forage, silvopasture enhances biodiversity and promotes healthier ecosystems. The presence of trees provides shade for grazing animals, reducing heat stress and improving their overall well-being. Additionally, these trees contribute to soil health by preventing erosion, enhancing nutrient cycling, and fostering habitat for beneficial wildlife. Farmers can enjoy increased forage production as the trees and plants work together to optimize growth. This symbiotic relationship not only boosts livestock productivity, but also enhances the quality of meat and dairy products. Furthermore, silvopasture offers a unique opportunity for carbon sequestration, helping to mitigate climate change by capturing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This practice also diversifies income sources, allowing farmers to harvest timber or non-timber forest products alongside livestock. By embracing silvopasture, farmers can create resilient agricultural systems that benefit both the environment and their livelihoods, paving the way for a more sustainable future.